If Jesus Wrote a Country Song by Anointed Family. Let's play along and talk about it. It starts on an F. Okay, let's talk first about the strum pattern. I'm just kind of, I don't know if it's what he's doing, but it seems to work to kind of do the whole slight palm mute on the bass strings. Like this is on a C chord. So I'm just going to go. I'm not obsessing on doing the single bass note thing. I'm just kind of doing the low string or two with a palm mute. And as you see, right from the get-go, this song does a lot of parts where it does one chord per beat. So the intro is F, C, G, A minor, C, just one of each. I don't think you have to do that. I'll talk more about that in a minute. But basically it's, if Jesus wrote a country song, I know it'd be profound. I'm trying to play the recording again. If Jesus wrote a country song, I know it'd be profound. So I'll try to get you the chart here too. So once it gets to I know it'd be profound, there's 4 beats of C. So it's kind of like 4 single chords. And once you hit that last C, you go into the... Let me do that a couple times again with the recording just to get the feel if you want to do like he does. more time. Now, I don't know how you feel about this. I often make songs a little simpler in ways that make sense to me. I feel like he's singing, if Jesus wrote, and on the word wrote is one. So I wouldn't even come in playing until the word wrote, and I would do an F there. I would go, if Jesus wrote a country song, I know it'd be profound. So I do 2 beats of F, then G, A minor, and then the 4 C's. So I would go, if Jesus wrote a country song, I know it'd be profound. One more time. If Jesus wrote a country song, I know it'd be profound. The heartfelt lyrics that would make the whole world spin around. That's just me, but it's interesting. It's kind of an unconventional song that way. Chords, pretty much F, C, G, A minor. There's an E minor in there. At one point I do an F sus2. So here's usually an F, as you know. A high string, if you don't strum it, you can get away with just these 3. An F sus2, I'm just letting my middle finger off. So I'm kind of going. Interestingly, with the F sus2, you can sometimes have the first string be open. This makes it a slightly different chord, but it's pretty. And you might notice, I think the same part in the song, it's got F sus2, C, and I made it a G sus4. I felt like I heard that. That would be this. Here's a G sus4. So if you notice, that first finger stays in the whole time. Sometimes the G sus4, I'll put that note too. The last line, if Jesus wrote a country song, we'd sing it on our knees. There's a little riff in there I kind of faked. I'm just doing like a C chord. I'm doing like a something like that. I'm just lifting my middle finger off, like a. You honestly could just kind of keep strumming and have that middle finger do something. Just something to make it interesting. Kind of the parallel to. Anyway, fun tune. I hope that's enjoyable, and that should get you close.